Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Moz, track SEO metrics and rankings step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type moz.com into the address bar and press enter. Wait for the Moz homepage to fully load. Look at the top right corner of the page for the login button. Click login to open the sign-in page. Check that the page URL starts with https:// to confirm it is secure. Click inside the email field and type the email address you used for your Moz account. Click inside the password field and type your password carefully. If you are on a personal device, you can enable Remember Me to stay signed in. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset email steps. When your email and password are correct, click the login button to continue. If Moz asks for verification, complete the two-factor or email code step to proceed. After login, wait for the Moz dashboard to load completely. On the dashboard, find the section for campaigns or site tracking. Click Campaigns to view websites you are already tracking. If you do not have a campaign yet, click Create a Campaign. Enter your website domain in the Campaign Setup field. Choose the correct domain format, like example.com without extra paths. Select your target search engine and the main location for your audience. Add the keywords you want to track for ranking positions. Set the device preference if available, such as desktop or mobile tracking. Review the settings, then click Save or Finish to create the campaign. Open the campaign to see metrics like domain authority, links, and crawl issues. Go to Rankings or Keyword Rankings to view your keyword positions. Use the Date Range selector to compare ranking changes over time. Filter by keyword tags to organize topics like product, blog, or local SEO. Click on any keyword to see SERP details and historical movement. Bookmark the dashboard page so you can return quickly next time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.